Hey guys, FaceClan here. Today I am gonna show you how to upgrade your lightning bow. The first step you have to do is shoot an arrow at the top of the clock tower. If you have done that, you can grab your arrow at the tower. The second step you have to do is shoot 3 different hay bales like I am doing right now.
I burn your very heart. We still do not understand forces behind this.
If you hit them all, there is popping up your quest left at your screen. The third part is to do the wall run and run over 5 different glowing stones at the wall without falling. As one of the last steps you have to do is filling up 3 lanterns with souls. If you filled 1 lantern, you have to shoot the hay bales like step 2 again.
Can we do that
If you
again?
shot all 3 the hay bales, you are almost done. You'll only have to hold square at the place you picked up your arrow. If you have done that, the arrow should fly up to the top of the tower and starts falling down. Then you can grab your arrow and it's almost done.
I will take whatever steps are necessary to ensure I will never leave.
Now the only thing you have to do is go to the underground and put the arrow in the lightning box.
The state will provide for our needs.
And now you can start killing zombies to fill your bow with souls. If you filled your bow with souls, you hear this sound. Now hold square to put your bow in, wait a few seconds and voila, you have the lightning bow.